Hey YouTube, this is just a quick video on how to make a homemade GPU stand for mining to hold your video cards for under $5. So I bought two different pieces of wood. The first one here, it's a 2x2, and then the back rack here is 1x2. So this can be purchased at your hardware store or lumber store. And then as you can see, I glued each joint and put screws in it so it will hold good. So this rack will hold about 6 GPUs. So the idea is you have the risers that will drop down. I built mine just to hold a GPU. I don't want to put my motherboard underneath it. So I'll just give you the quick dimensions of it. So as you can see, mine is about just under 11 inches long. You're going to want to make yours at least 6 inches longer to hold the motherboard, because as you can see, the motherboard itself is about 9 inches. So you want more space for your video connector and your power cable. So to be able to make one that will hold 6 GPUs is going to be roughly about 1 second here. As you can see, mine's 19.5 inches. That will do for you. So my height here is 8.5 inches. My top part, and then the bottom part is 3.5 inches shorter, because the distance from here where the GPU screws on to where it rests is exactly 3.5 inches. So as you can see, I put that on and no problems. You have to be careful you don't make it too long or too short because of the riser here, otherwise you won't be able to fit it in. Yeah, so this, once again, you will probably have to put a bar at 9 inches, as you can see, and then you will have your width longer, about out to here, so 6 more inches. And then I built a little frame around mine at the front and at the back out of the 2x2s, and I use the 1x2s here and here. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask me. If you guys need a hand, shoot me a comment. And sorry about the noise, I have a Vega going in the background that's going to be attached to here. So after I get my GPUs hooked up, I'll make another quick video. Thanks guys.